talk about why Pakistan does not trust India's no first use doctrine. India says it has no first use doctrine, which means that India will not be the first one to use nuclear weapons. बहुत reassuring लगता है, right? लेकिन असल सवाल ये है, if a doctrine has exceptions, क्या वो वाकई unconditional है? In simple words में no first use means nuclear armed state promises that it will not use nuclear weapons first, और वो सिर्फ उनको retaliation में use करेंगी after being attacked with nuclear weapons. But India's NFU is not as simple as it sounds. India's official doctrine says that nuclear weapons will only be used in retaliation against a nuclear attack on Indian territory या Indian forces के ऊपर stationed anywhere. But then comes the caveat. India also says कि अगर उसके ऊपर कोई major attack होता है और Indian forces stationed anywhere in the world are attacked by biological and chemical weapons, then India retains the right to retaliate with nuclear weapons. Now let's pause here. This means कि India का जो NFU है वो simply ये नहीं है कि हम nuclear weapons सिर्फ तब use करेंगे जब हमारे ऊपर nuclear attack होगा. It leaves the nuclear option open after certain biological and chemical attacks as well. And that makes India's commitment conditional. Pakistan's का concern क्या है? Pakistan's concern is not just legalistic wording. Pakistan worries about this doctrine might work in real crisis. Who defines major attack क्या है? What counts as biological and chemical weapons? What if Indian forces are attacked outside Indian territory, stationed anywhere in the world in peacekeeping missions, for example? What if attribution is unclear? What if a crisis is already moving really fast? यहाँ ambiguity dangerous हो जाती है because South Asia में time is already short, geography is compressed, and misperception can escalate quickly. Now remember, a doctrine is not trusted simply because it is written. It is trusted when a rival believes the state will behave according to it under pressure. And Pakistan does not look at India's NFU statement. Pakistan also looks at India's posture, which is increasingly moving towards canisterized missiles, higher readiness, sea-based deterrence, MIRVs, missile defenses, counter-force debates. So Pakistan's question is, if India says restraint, but its posture signals readiness and flexibility, then which signal should Pakistan trust? This is actually not unique to Pakistan. United States also does not fully trust China's no first use pledge. China says it will never use nuclear weapons first, but Washington looks at China's growing nuclear arsenal, new missile silos, lack of transparency and changing posture, and it remains skeptical. So the point is simple. Rivals do not trust doctrines in isolation. They compare doctrine with posture. So why does Pakistan not trust India's NFU? Because India's NFU is conditional. Because the WMD caveat dilutes that promise. Because doctrine and posture align नहीं करते, and because in nuclear strategy ambiguity सिर्फ wording का problem नहीं है, it becomes a crisis stability problem. No first use सिर्फ तब reassuring हो सकता है जब वो clear हो, credible हो, consistent हो, and unconditional हो. If the doctrine says restraint, but the posture signals options, then rivals will prepare for the worst.